came from there. Little path on the right. Looks well traveled. This is a nice path. Holy moly, are we at the top about? Holy moly.
I know.
I didn't know if I was going to be able to do this one. Wow. We have summited Mount Stone. So Brenda and I came over here to do Mount Skokomish, but oddly I had no issues with Mount Stone, but I did not care for Mount Skokomish when I was up on the steep. So I ended up backing down. And Brendan went to a back peak, and I'm just kind of hanging out relaxing. Some days are like that. Super comfortable right where I'm at. I have a big snow patch down here that I might go dive into a little bit. Put some snow under my hat. This little lake down here, really small. It looks pretty pristine. but I don't want to go too far. So I'm just gonna stay here. I told her I would be by the snow patch, so that's where I'm gonna stay. And then we're gonna go visit Lake of Angels after this. I'm gonna head back down.